This is going to be a recap of what I've done to my hair since this very moment in June 2023 until now, which is February 2024. I have so much footage from all my hair adventures and my plan was to make videos out of them, but I never got around doing that, and now instead of making separate videos, I decided to do one long one since I've decided to close this chapter. My hair has had enough and I simply can't carry on like this. Besides, I have so many more plans for this channel and my life, and as much as I would love for you to stay, I understand if my new content is not for you and therefore decide to leave. Now let's dive into this video. So this was me at the beginning of June 2023. My hair was okay-ish, still fragile, but manageable. And what did I decide to do? Bleach it, of course. I have no idea why, I guess I wanted a change again, but yeah, there I was, with Blonde Me Bleach and Developer. I used mainly 20 volume and for some parts of my hair 7 volume. And I was extremely careful, doing everything in sections, taking my time, just very careful indeed. This was done over a few days, but a lot of my hair still broke off anyway.
Trees aren't green, the ocean is grey, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise. I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know all of my problems. I know. Where did it go? The feeling of thirst, desire to be a rock in my heels. I'm numb as a poison, flows in my veins. Guess I got used to avoiding the pain. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise.
Okay, so it's 9:30 in the evening. I'm gonna try and attempt to do the back.
Must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise. I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all.
This was the result, and apart from the peachy colored patches, which I tried to remove multiple times, but I couldn't, everything was the color I tried to achieve. And so I applied Wella Colored Touch Toner in 8N, and although the color was lovely, it washed out after 2 washes. Here I have added root shadow with the root touch-up spray and a brush. I then tried Matrix Alkaline Toner in shade 8N. It was a bit darker, but so beautiful. I loved this shade so much. But unfortunately, as it started to wash out, the top was more golden than the bottom, understandably, and just didn't look the same. At this point, I decided to cut my hair since my hair was quite damaged after the bleach, and I still had that undercut growing out, so I cut my hair into a bob. By myself. Because there is no feeling like cutting your own hair.
Who lost their hope? You fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream
And here I colored my hair with the Matrix 8N again, and also my husband cut my hair a bit more. So this is end of July, I'm at my mom's house showing off my new cut and color.
Should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you.
This is September and I wanted to try a nice light brown color, so I mixed a number of shades from Wella Color Touch range, and the color came out pretty nice.
Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of
Time for another cut. Again, I trusted my husband with the scissors and he didn't disappoint. Well, it was a lot shorter than I wanted, but I ended up loving this length.
the wind could spread your love.
I had some grays I wanted to cover, and so I reached for my Wella Color Touch colors and went for 5, and oh boy, I had a feeling it was gonna be dark. But on pictures it really didn't look like this. I just wanted to match my natural roots and cover grays, but instead ended up with almost black hair. Fortunately this was only a toner and it washed out into dark brown, but still, I was pretty upset with myself. And I reached for a color remover and tried to remove this dark color, only to end up with gingery brown hair color. But I didn't mind, it kind of looked good. And this is me now. My hair still smells of the color remover, it's falling out like crazy. This started end of summer, I think. And I'm going to give it a break, a long break. I think the hair falling might be due to hormones, and I really need to take care of myself, my diet and everything. And so it is time to close this hair adventure chapter. I had lots of fun on the way. It was also a bit of a distraction for me. My problems, anxieties gave me the feeling of constantly changing and moving forward. I will be reinventing this channel and there is a possibility I will eventually remove the hair videos. So if there are any you would like to refer to in the future, please screen record them or just take notes of the products I used. But what can I say? What a journey!